Hello children, let us continue chapter number 5 in English grammar, the present tense. Okay children? Children, in your textbook, first is given the present progressive tense. Generally we study the simple present tense, but as it is given in your textbook, we also start from the present progressive tense. So all these points you find out in your textbook and mark in your textbook. Okay children? The general form of present progressive tense is am or is or are plus present participle or ing form or v4. Okay children? So from these three words we use any one word as per the subject and then ing form of the verb. The present progressive tense refers to an action in progress at the time of speaking. Children, example see, John is playing cricket. When we look at John, we can see him playing cricket. He is continuing the game of cricket. John is playing cricket. Here is playing is the present progressive tense. See children, is playing. We have the two words here and am is are. From this it is used is here. Okay, and ing form present participle is playing. So is playing shows the present progressive tense. We use the present progressive tense to refer to an action which happens at the time of speaking, and it is same as in the definition. And some words like now, right now, at the moment, etc. we can see in the sentence. It is not always present. Sometimes we can see these words in the sentence, so we use the present progressive tense. Example the same you can think, John is playing cricket. B. We use the present progressive tense to refer to some temporary action. Example see children, he usually goes to his office by car. Usually means he generally or we can say always goes to his car by or goes to his office by car, but these days he is going by a chartered bus. So these days he is not using his car, he is going by a chartered bus. Number C, we use the present progressive tense to talk about trends, changes and development. See example, yoga is becoming popular these days. About yoga's change or trend about yoga, it is mentioned using the present progressive tense. Okay, so these are the situations where we use the present progressive tense. Children, these points you mark in your textbook. Okay children? Practice exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present progressive tense form of the verb given in brackets. Children, the present progressive tense you must know very well. It is am or is or are plus v4. From the three words we have to use one word depending upon the subject and then v4, that is the ing form or present participle. First one, she dash a letter of complaint to the cable operator. Bracket word is write. So what is the present progressive tense of write? The answer is see am writing. From this word we can use am. Then v4. What is the v4 of write? ing form writing. Am writing, is writing, are writing. So what is the correct word here? Subject is she. So with the she what will come? Is. So is writing. Okay children? Number 2. What dash they dash do outside in this biting cold? Children, here bracket word is do. It's a past progressive tense is am doing, is doing, are doing. Okay? Do. ing form you know. Doing. So the three options are there. Am doing, is doing, are doing, and from this what will come? So here what are they doing? Here the subject is they. It is question, so we have the word what, and forget this question word, then we have the subject here they. So we have they are doing. They are doing, and it is question. We have the question mark here, so we write are doing. Okay, so first blank we have are, I need a second blank, we have to write the second word doing. What are they doing outside in this biting cold? Number 3, they dash the Republic Day program. Bracket word is finalize. So the Three options are children: am finalizing, is finalizing, are finalizing. Okay, V4 of finalize is finalizing. So here the subject is they. So with they, what will match with they? They are. So we have to use they are finalizing the Republic Day program. Number 4. What dash you dash do here? Here we have to use the present progressive tense of do. So here it is am doing, is doing, are doing. Okay. And what is the correct option here, children? Here subject is you. So with the subject you, what we will use? You are doing. You are doing. And since it is question, we have to put are first. Are you doing? Okay, children. Number 5. I dash revise my lesson. So here, what's the V4 of revise? Revising. So am revising, is revising, are revising here. Children, here subject C. The subject is I. So with I, which word will come? Am. So I am revising my lesson. Okay, children. Practice exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present progressive tense form of the word given in brackets. Children, present progressive tense. So it means am or is or are plus V4. V4 means present participle. He gets up early in the morning. But these days he dash up late. So children, here subject is he. So we have to use from these three words which word? He is. So is bracket words ing form use. Get up. What is the ing form of get up? V4 of get up? Getting up. So he is getting up. Okay, children. Number 2. She is very calm by nature. But today she dash temper on petty things. So here lose. It's the present progressive form we have to use. Subject. She is the see the subject here. She is the subject. So with she, what word will come? She is. Okay, is the correct form. And lose, ing form of lose is losing. She is losing temper on petty things. Right, children? Number 3. He is a jolly person. But today he dash not talk to anybody. Here, present progressive tense of not to talk. Talk, ing form is what? Talking, not talking. Now, from the three words, what will come in answer? Am coming or is or are. Which word will come, children? The subject, see the subject here. The subject is, what is the subject? He. So with he, what will come here? Is. He is not talking to anybody. Okay, children. Number 4. My friend often reads a lot. But these days, he dash not read. Given in bracket, anything. Not even the newspaper. So children, here present progressive tense. Read. What is the ing form of read? Reading, not reading. Then from these three words, we have to choose one word. What is the chosen word, children? The subject, see the subject here. He is the subject. So he is. We have to use. So he is not reading anything, not even the newspaper. Number 5. Why dash they dash bracket word is discuss the program so loudly today. So children, here discuss verb is given. So what is the V4 of discuss? Discussing. And here subject is they. Question word coming time, I already said. Don't think of the question word. The other word thing, this is the subject word. So they. They coming time, what will come? Is or are. So they are. So the progressive tense is they are discussing. Now think it is a question. So are will come first and discussing second. Okay. So why are they discussing the program so loudly today? Okay, children. Practice exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present progressive tense form of the verb given in brackets. We have 5 questions here. Children, we have to use the present progressive tense form. So it is the general form am or is or are plus V4. V4 means present participle or ing form of the verb given in the bracket. Girls dash bracket word join the army these days. So bracket words ing form is joining. And what we will use from these 3 words? Children, subject C, girls. So girls coming name are. Girls are joining. Okay. So the present progressive tenses are joining the army these days. Number 2, more and more parents are encouraging their children to participate in co-curricular activities now. How did we get this answer, children? See, the bracket word is encourage. It's a V4 is encouraging. ING form is encouraging. And the subject is plural word. More and more parents. So plural coming time, we have to use are. Are encouraging. Okay. Number 3. To tell you the truth, girls dash bracket word is show better managerial skills now. So bracket word is show. This words ing form is showing. Now from the 3 words, what will come here? See the subject girls. Girls plural subject. So plural subject coming time are showing better managerial skills now. Okay. Number 4. I dash bracket word is learn French nowadays. Children, bracket words ing form is learning. V4 is learning. And subject here is I. So I after what will come from the 3 words? I am learning French nowadays. Okay. Number 5. He dash work hard for the IAS examination. Bracket word is work. So it's a V4 is working. And the subject here is he. So with after he, what word will come from these 3 words? He is. So he is working hard for the IAS examination. Okay, children.